Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram following list. Whether you're looking to add a bit more privacy to your profile or just want to control who can see the accounts you follow, I've got you covered. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app on your phone, just like this. Once Instagram is open, head to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right and then go to Settings and Privacy. This is where you can adjust most of the privacy settings on Instagram. Just refresh so they appear. Then you look for privacy in the search bar. Privacy. Now if you want to completely hide your following list from people who don't follow you, the easiest way is to make your account private. This way, only people who follow you can see the accounts you're following. So just toggle on private account and you're good to go, just like this. And this is gonna ask you to confirm whether you want to switch to private or not. Now, if you don't want to make your account private but still want to hide your following list from certain people, you can block specific users from seeing your content. To do so, go to their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select block. I'm gonna try this with some profile. I'm gonna click the three dots here and I'm gonna click on block. And they won't be able to see your posts, following lists, or even your profile. And that's it. Now you have more control over who can see your Instagram following list. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or Instagram tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.